Okay, we'll just walk slowly.
I love pancakes.
So do I.
Me too.
Everybody loves pancakes, don't they, children?
Let's go now.
But Mummy, how do you make a pancake?
Easy. We just put eggs, milk and flour in this bowl and stir them together.
Then we cook the mixture in this pan to make a pancake.
Ah.
And most important of all, I have to flip the pancakes high into the air.
Are you sure you want to flip the pancakes, Daddy Pig? Last time, the pancakes got stuck to the ceiling.
And they're still there. Look.
There are lots of pancakes stuck to the ceiling.
Ah, yes. But that won't happen this time.
Silly Daddy.
What topping would everyone like on their pancake?
Penguins, Daddy.
Can I have blueberries on my pancake?
Good choice, Pepper. I think I'll have apples on mine.
I'd like a squeeze of lemon on my pancake.
Can we
Dinosaur.
run out of
Think of a fruit you'd like on your pancake, George.
George loves strawberries.
These pancakes are going to be yummy.
And what do you all fancy doing after we've eaten our pancakes?
We go to the park and feed the ducks.
Come on, baby.
Good idea, Peppa.
We go see the penguins.
Or we could go for a ride on Grandpa Pig's train.
Yes, yes. Grandpa Pig's
We're going to see
train.
the penguin
And
now.
I can see all my friends.
So we're going to get ice cream. Let's go get ice
Or we
cream.
can take a trip in Miss Rabbit's
I'll take a
helicopter.
photo on this, okay?
Helicopter.
Well, actually, they do have dinosaurs in the park. And you can even ride them.
Wow.
But before we do any of that, we have to make our pancakes.
Oh, yes, the pancakes. I'm getting quite hungry.
So am I.
Well,
Whoever made those things talk